Welcome to Automing, a YouTube channel. The most complete automotive channel in YouTube. An energized variant of the first classic Austin Mini has been uncovered at the New York Motor Show to stress the brand's electric desire. In light of a late form of the main classic Austin Mini that has been totally re-established, the auto's unique 4-chamber motor has been swapped for an unadulterated electric power plant that utilizations 30 lithium-press phosphate batteries to empower a scope of 65 miles. Top speed is 75 miles per hour. Smaller than normal, said the completed auto blends the brand's unmistakable character while grasping zero nearby emanation innovation. That the New York Indicate auto comes 1 year before classic Austin Mini dispatches its first arrangement creation electric model, which will be founded on the three-entryway auto, is no happenstance. As classic Austin Mini specialists are attempting to move the auto towards creation, the brand's showcasing division is attempting to build familiarity with classic Austin Mini's forthcoming model. The classic Austin Mini Electric, which is an irregular, is in this manner delivered to indicate how the first city auto formula can be adjusted to include the extremely most recent end-drive innovation. Scaled down manager Sebastian Mackinson as of late disclosed to Autocar that this strategy takes the brand back to its centrist themes, making 1 year from now's generation auto dispatch essential to its future. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, give us a comment, share to your friends, and subscribe to our channel. See you again on the next video.